Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you Standard 6 English Grammar. Assignment 13, Part 2. In this part, Exercise 1, fill in the blanks with suitable relative pronouns. Means you have to fill the blanks with suitable or joining pronouns. Number 1, God help those dash help themselves. Means if you help yourselves, so God will help you. So here the answer is who. Why the answer is who is coming here? Because who is used for persons only. Number 2, those dash names are called out will attend the meeting. Means if any person's name is called out, so that person will attend the meeting. So the correct answer is whose. Why whose is coming? Because whose is generally used for persons only, and here they are telling that those names, so names are called persons. Number 3, time dash is lost forever. Means if you lost your time, you lost your life. So the answer is which. Why which is coming? Because which is used for things and animals, and here the time is called a thing. Number 4, those that live in glass houses should not throw stones at others. Means if you live in glass houses, you should not throw stones at other houses. So the answer is who. Why who is coming? Because who is used for persons only, and you know it very well. The house persons live. Number 5, the flowers that grow in my garden are much admired. Admired means inspired. Means if you grow flowers in your garden, so it is very inspired for you. Means it is give you a inspiration. So the answer is which. Why which is coming? Because which is generally used for things and animals, and you know it very well. Flowers are called things. Next, number 6, the municipality will repair those houses dash are very old. Means the municipality repair the houses that is very old. So the answer is whose. Why whose is coming? Because whose is generally used for persons only, and you know it very well. In municipality, the workers are working. Blank 7 to 12's answer you have to write with your own in homework. Now exercise 2, join the pairs of sentences into one by pronouns. Means we have to join the pairs of sentences by using only one suitable relative or joining pronouns. In that, number 1, this is the house my grandfather built it. Means in olden time my grandfather built this house. So the answer is this is the house which my grandfather built it. So like this we have to put that pronoun between these two sentences and we have to join it. Why which is coming in this answer? Because which is used for things and animals, and the house is called thing. Number 2, he is the boy everybody in the school admires him. Means he is the boy everybody get inspiration from him. So the answer is he is the boy whom everybody in the school admires. Why whom is coming? Because whom is generally used for persons only. And you know it very well, boy is called a person. Now number 3, she is the woman, her son stood first in the examination. Means this is the woman, her son stood first in the examination. Means her son got first rank in the examination. So the answer is she is the woman whose son stood first in the examination. Why whose is coming? Because whose is generally used for persons only. And you know it very well, woman is called a person. Number 5, this is the worker. His record of service is very good. For example, Anil is working in the industry and his service record is good. Means he is working as a good person. So it is called his record of service is very good. So the answer is this is the worker whose record of service very good. Why whose is coming? Because whose is generally used for persons only. Next, number 6. She is the leader. Her name is on everybody's lips. Means like Jhansi Ki Rani. Jhansi Ki Rani is the leader. And nowadays also her name is on our lips. So the answer is she is the leader whose name is on everybody's lips. Why whose is coming? Because whose is generally used for persons only. Number 7, this is the lady accident last year. Means the lady's husband met me on last year in a car accident. So the answer is this is the lady whose husband met with a car accident last year. Why whose is coming? Because whose is generally used for persons only. Number 8, that is it. He told it to me this morning. Means he told something in the morning that is this perfect thing. So the answer is that is what he told to me this morning. Why what is coming? Because what is used for things only. Number 9, that is the temple our forefather built it. Means our forefather built that temple. So the answer is that is the temple which our forefathers built. Why which is coming? Because which is used for things and animals. And the temple is called thing. Number 10. My uncle gave me this pen. I use it every day. Means my uncle gave me a pen that I used it every day for writing. So the answer is my uncle gave me this pen which I used every day. So why which is coming? Because which is used for things and animals. 11 to 17 sentences answer you have to write with your own in homework. Thank you.